Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leith Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be checking out a 2020 Toyota Tacoma SR5. This beautiful truck comes with blacked out rims, alloy wheels, fog lights, a blacked out grille with beautiful chrome accents. And coming around to the side, we have color matched mirrors and door handles and deep tinted rear privacy glass. Power for this truck comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. Let's jump in and take a look at some of the interior features that this truck has to offer. Coming up to the truck, we can take a look in the back and see there is tons of room, seating for three, and we've got a really nice top condition gray cloth interior. There's some cup holders back there for your passengers as well. Opening up the door, we have our power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Moving down here, we have our driver's power seat. And right here, we can find our traction control, bed lights, automatic headlights. Jumping on in and taking a look at the steering wheel. On this side, we have our audio controls and our Bluetooth hands-free calling. Over here, we have our information screen, our forward collision alert, lane departure warning. And down here, we have our adaptive cruise control. Using your steering wheel controls, you can scroll through a bunch of different settings and customize the safety features and how you would like your display to look. Coming on over here, this has an AM, FM satellite radio. It also is a Bluetooth. You can plug in a USB. And going to the home menu, there is a bunch of different features that you can scroll through to customize as well. This truck is navigation system ready, so you just have to contact the Toyota navigation people and set it up. Coming on down is our climate control. Over here we have our two-wheel, four-wheel, and four-wheel low. There's our heated mirrors, our heated front seats, and our USB plug-in plus the auxiliary power outlets. Backing up, we've got a couple cup holders there, more there, so there is lots of room. We've got our center console with more storage, and our glove box is lockable. It's down here and does come complete with the original owner's manual. If we swing around back and take another look, we can see the back window slides open. And again, there is plenty of comfortable room for your passengers. So let's hop out and move over to the back and see what it's got going on there. Around back, up on the top, we have our shark fin antenna. This truck does come with a hard tonneau cover, which is super handy, especially in our BC winters like this, to keep your cargo dry. The bed is lockable, and it does have the dampener, so it's not going to slam on you. We've got an excellent condition composite bed back here with tie-down areas, your extra power outlets, and some little storage pockets to keep any tools or what have you. Closing it on up, we have the 4x4 badging and the V6 engine as well as the Tacoma. Your trailer hitch is right down there along with your power outlets. Overall, this is just an absolutely beautiful truck. Thank you for taking the time to view it with me. I hope you guys are all having a really safe winter. If you want more information about this truck, please give us a call, and one of our amazing product advisors would be happy to help you. Or you can check out our website at KelownaToyota.com to get more information on this truck or browse the rest of our new and used inventory. Everybody please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.